So in this question, we're asked which line or curves demonstrate simple interest growth. So we're given a graph with some different curves on it, and we're looking at these relationships and trying to categorize the type of interest growth here. So we think back and we think that, well, we remember that simple interest, that's steady interest. It just goes up to the right. That is, the interest just grows at a steady rate. The slope does not change. And then we remember that compound interest, well, that's more of a curve. So we know that the growth starts off a little slower and gets faster as time goes on. So we should be able to use that and make some decisions here. So we look at curve A, and that is definitely curving up. Slope is increasing. We know that that would be compound interest. B, it's also curving up, not quite as much as A, so not quite as good of an investment, but it's still certainly a curve, still certainly compound interest. Simple interest, we see this straight line here on C, and that makes us think of simple interest growth. It's coming up to the right, and it is a straight line. We look at D and we think, yeah, that's also going up, and it's also a straight line. It doesn't grow as fast as C, so not quite as good of an investment, perhaps, not as good an interest rate. So still simple interest. And then that last one, it is a straight line, which makes us think of simple interest, but it's also flat. It's totally horizontal. So this is a situation where there's no growth at all. That's kind of like investing your money by putting it under your mattress. So no growth at all means that, well, that's not really simple or compound. That's really no interest. So looking back, we were supposed to identify simple interest growth, and we did so by recognizing C and D as simple interest.